This is the View Studio Asset Library, where you can manage media for virtual production and more. At the top is your personal library, where you can upload your own assets. Scrolling down reveals a variety of included content ready for your use. Let's open a folder. Inside are 2 assets. To add more, click the Add Asset button. You can upload a file, add a web link, or select an NDI feed. Once uploaded, the asset appears instantly. In your personal library, you can create new folders, name them, and add assets. All uploads are stored in the Uploads folder for easy access. You can share folders with a sharing button within each folder and add email addresses for team collaboration. To move assets, right-click and choose Add to Folder or Move to Folder. Reorganizing assets is easy with the Reorder option. Drag and drop them as needed, then click Done. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.